Spring is waking up all around us. Most of the trees are just beginning to bud. And it's fascinating to see how each one follows its own rhythm. Some burst into flowers first, painting the branches with color before the leaves arrive, while others unfurl their leaves right away, saving the blossoms for later. Down by the stream, patches of lesser celandine are spreading across the ground like little bursts of sunshine. It's such an unassuming plant, but it's packed with vitamin C 3 times more than lemons. Long ago, sailors would take dried leaves with them on long journeys to help prevent scurvy. I like to use a few fresh leaves in a salad or blend them into a dip, but only before the plant starts to bloom. After that, it turns slightly toxic. And Frida seems convinced she has to taste every single water source we come across out here. Later, back at home, I turned on dog TV for her. They were showing this adorable film about a squirrel playing in a plum tree. Safe to say, she was completely invested. We also took a trip to visit my dad, who lives by the Baltic Sea, just about half an hour from the Danish border. The sun was shining, but it was pretty windy. On the beach, I spent some time collecting hagstones and found other treasures. The wind was so strong it made my eyes water non-stop. And Frida absolutely loved it here. After our walk, we had some really delicious food and some very good beer. Can you spot the rune on the label? Of course, my husband couldn't resist and brought a few bottles home with us. to show you some of my birthday gifts that I got because some of you wanted to see it. So let's start. Let's start with the things my husband got me. So the first thing is this. It's like a brooch. For like scarves, something like that. I think you know what I mean, right? Yeah, that. Then he got me some dragon's blood and some, what is it? Resin. That's it. And he also got me a book, but a book about herbs, and I got this at work because there are herbs and the leaves are in the original size. So when I work with kids, with older kids, not the small ones, and I like to go outside and just look for stuff, and having this book on hand when we are outside just to look up some herbs, and then they can see the original size of the leaves and so on and so forth, and what they are good for. So I don't have it here. I put it on the screen. It's nice. It's interesting. So this is from my husband. My dad once lived in the Caribbean Sea on a boat, and now he's like once a year he flies back to Martinique and visiting friends and just enjoy it to be there again. And he brought me back these shells with little candles in there. Yeah. Yes, and a card. And that's how it looks like where he lives now. Then I got something from the hotel where we stayed at my birthday. And that is kind of their branding. And then I also got some of the decoration from the dinner table. I just had to get it. Some friends gave me also stuff. These are like escape room kind of games, and we already did this. Yeah, but this is also something like that, and it's like a Hogwarts theme, but obviously it's not Hogwarts. And yeah, we will try that out too. And I hope this is a little bit different. It will be different. And yeah, so these two games. And then I also got something from friends from the US. First of all, this beautiful card and with stickers and all that jazz. And then I asked her if she could, because obviously when you watch a video and they unbox something and they describe the smell, the scent of an oil, and I thought, well, can you please, when you write me a letter, can you please put the oil on something and I can smell it, because that sounds interesting. And she did that. She did that with the Chance of Luck oil from the Witch's Roots box. And then she also made an oil herself, and it's what is it? Vanilla Moss Attraction Spray. And that is amazing. That is amazing. I would totally use this spray. This is so good. And then some cards, oracle cards. I love this. And this Vanilla Moss Attraction spray is wonderful. Wonderful. I love that. You should sell that. So, and then I got I will never need incense again from now on. Look, someone hooked me up. Sorry, I think it has a glare. So I put it away. So thank you for this massive package of incense. And these are pencils. Look, plant your pencil. And I was like, what? Why should I do that? I mean, that's insane. And this is pizza. So these are pizza pencils. And obviously, yeah, they are pencils and I don't plant them. No. But look at that. There are seeds in there. In every sprout, 1,000 pizzas dream. Oregano. So when the pencil is at the end, you can plant the pizza. Plant the pizza. Plant the pencil. I think I will, I don't know, remove this and just plant the seeds instead of the pencil, but it's such a lovely idea. So let's have the other ones. This is Sun-Kissed Vine, Bold and Pizza Divine, Cherry Tomato, and Big Mood, Bold Bites, Born to Grill, Chili, and Plant Me Once, Pick Me Often, I'm Summer in a Leaf, Basil, and a Wild Leaf with a Peppery Heart, Grow Bold, Rucola. Yeah, that's so funny. So I will plant my pencils. Maybe I grow a pencil plant. Thank you so much. And then my personal highlight. I cried a little bit when I opened it. It was, oh my God. She listened to one of my videos really, really good and remembered. And she got me a Cernunnos statue. Yes, so this is the Cernunnos that is on a cauldron that was found in Denmark, and it's in a museum over there, I think in Copenhagen. And yeah, so this is the one that is on this cauldron, and I wanted to have something like that, and also a pendant, and I will get that too. Thank you so much. That was so good. That was such a surprise, really. That was such a surprise. I love that. And now it has a special place here on my altar. And of course we walked through the city. It's a small city when we were at my dad's. And they have a shop for kids with all the toys and so on and so forth. And I like going through these kind of shops. And I bought a Harry Potter mystery figure and also a mini-verse, Make It Mini Potions, and also a mini-verse, Make It Mini, I think it's just, is it Honeydukes? Yeah, I think it's all the candies. Yeah. They are so expensive. They are $12.99, and I was like, oh, I would love to have that, but that's too expensive. I wouldn't buy it for that much money. Sorry. I love the franchise. I really enjoy Harry Potter. I really enjoy doing this kind of stuff. This is potions making with resin and so on and so forth, and this is making the candy. I don't know what will be in here, but if you are interested, we can do this together. I don't know. But I just paid $5 for each, so I bought two. I was tempted to buy more, but what if I have the same? Because they are like just the rest of the charge or whatever. I don't know. So I just bought these two, and then this mystery figure. Oh well, I thought I got anybody. McGonagall, Dobby would be cool. I don't know why Nymphadora is in this, because these seems to be from the Goblet of Fire, and she's not even in the Goblet of Fire, but same with Luna, but okay. Yeah. And I got Fleur Delacour. Okay, nice. Well, okay. Yeah, so this is what I got there. And I also collected some stones. Look at them. Hagstones. I found some hagstones. This is a big one. And this is a slightly smaller one. Where's the hole? Oh, there's the hole. There's the hole. And then this little one. Perfect to have it around your neck as a necklace. And I don't know, I thought this is an interesting shape. I don't know why. And I thought this looked like a heart. So got that. And I don't know. This was just an interesting shape in the stone. So why not? Same with this one. Look. I like something like that. It's just a little bit different. Yeah, these are all flintstones, and they lay just there at the beach. So that was that. Anything else? Oh yes, you know what I can do? I can pick the winner for the postcards. From these postcards. Let me do that. So I wrote everyone on this piece of paper, and I will cut it up, and then I put it in the cauldron, and then I will pick a winner. That's what I'm doing. So here we go. Cut everyone up, and now I fold it and put it in there. Okay, so here we go, and now I pull the winners. I think I do 5. So the first one is Rochelle. The second one is Moon Mama. The third one is Selena from Essence of the Moon. The fourth one is Belanisi. And the fifth one is Silver Soul Fox. So congratulations. I have the addresses of Silver Soul Fox and Balanici, and I think Moon Mama. But these two, Rochelle and Selena, please send me your address, preferably via Instagram DM. That would be nice. And then I will send out these cards to you. Yeah. So, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.